how to build a cybersecurity architecture, fundamentals, and key components. The internet is a vast digital landscape full of opportunities, but also countless threats. In this world where cyber attacks happen every 39 seconds, how do we protect our most valuable digital assets? The answer lies in a strong cybersecurity architecture. Hey everyone, welcome back to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving deep into the world of cybersecurity architecture. Whether you're a business owner, IT professional, or just someone curious about protecting your digital life, this video is for you. What is cybersecurity architecture? Cybersecurity architecture is the strategic framework that protects your digital assets from malicious threats. Think of it as the blueprint of a house, but instead of protecting your family from burglars, it safeguards your data from hackers. In a simple terms, it is the design and implementation of cybersecurity measures that keep your network, systems, and data safe. It is all about building layers of defense that work together seamlessly. The key components of cybersecurity architecture. So, what exactly makes up a solid cybersecurity architecture? Let's break it down into 5 key components. First, perimeter security. This is your first line of defense, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and network access controls. It prevents unauthorized access from the outside. Second, endpoint security. Think of this as security for all your devices, whether it's laptops, mobile phones, or IoT gadgets. It involves antivirus software, device encryption, and patch management. Third, data security. From encryption to data masking, this component focuses on ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential and intact, even if hackers get their hands on it. Fourth, identify and access management, IAM. Only the right people should have access to the right resources. IAM ensures this through technologies like multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, and role-based access control. Fifth, security monitoring and incident response. This is your digital surveillance system, constantly watching for anomalies, flagging suspicious activities, and responding to incidents in real time. Importance of a strong cybersecurity architecture. You might be thinking, do I really need all of this? Well, let's talk about why cybersecurity architecture is so crucial. According to recent studies, the average cost of a data breach in 2024 is over $4 million. And with cyber threats evolving at an alarming rate, having a robust architecture in place is no longer optional. It is a necessity. It is not just about preventing attacks. A good architecture also ensures compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and others, keeping your business out of legal trouble. How to build a cybersecurity architecture? Now that we understand the components and importance, let's explore how to build a cybersecurity architecture for your organization. First, assess your current security posture. Start with a thorough audit of your existing systems. Identify vulnerabilities and gaps that need to be addressed. Second, define your security objectives. Align your cybersecurity goals with your business objectives. Do you need to protect customer data, intellectual property, or financial transactions? Third, design the architecture. Map out the components we discussed earlier: perimeter security, endpoint protection, data security, etc. Use frameworks like NIST, ISO 27001, or CIS controls as guides. Fourth, implement the layers of defense. Deploy your security solutions step by step, making sure they integrate smoothly with each other. Remember, it's all about layers. Fifth, continuous monitoring and improvement. Cyber threats evolve, so your architecture should too. Regularly update your systems, conduct penetration testings, and adjust your defenses as needed. Real-life cybersecurity architecture in action. Take company XYZ, which managed to prevent a major data breach by implementing a zero-trust architecture, or organization ABC, which reduced its cyber risk by 80% with a solid IAM strategy. The future of cybersecurity architecture. The future of cybersecurity architecture is exciting, with advancement in AI, machine learning, and even quantum computing. The next generation of defenses will be smarter, faster, and more adaptive than ever before. Imagine a world where your systems can detect and respond to threats automatically without any human intervention. That's the future we are heading towards. And let's wrap up on today's video about cybersecurity architecture. Remember, whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, building a strong digital defense is crucial to surviving in today's cyber world. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or topics you want us to cover next? Drop them in the comments below. Stay safe, stay secure, and we will see you in the next